Hi guys, Shazad here. Today we'll be unboxing the new Fire Stick from Amazon. So this is the Max variant. So because in the Fire Sticks we have few models. For the sticks itself, we have the normal stick, which is HD, which is a 1080p screen, the device. Then there's a Fire Stick 4K, and then there's a Fire Stick 4K Max. So what is the difference though? The memory. So the memory on these one, that's 2 gigs instead of HD version, which is 1 gigs, and the built-in storage on these ones, it is 16 gigs instead of the 8 gigs. Okay, so that's first. Let's see. Because like these days, most are the most of the built-in TVs is like the TV boxes you will get. They tend to be like 4 to 8 gigs, but this one is like the price, especially on the Black Friday sale, you can get these ones around for $44. So it just depends. The thing is, with the most of those boxes, you're not sure if it has anything else running in the back end. Okay. So this is the Max variant. So that comes with the remote. So I think like this one, most likely it will have like the button mapper installed. If it's not, you can install the button mapper and you can set up whatever apps you want to use. So this one, I'll usually use Streamio, so I'm gonna set that up for my mom. And this, okay, it uses 2 cells here, 2 batteries. The AAA. Okay. This one. Oh, what is this? This is sort of like an adapter of some sorts. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is an adapter. So in case like you don't have that much space, you can plug it in here, and you can plug it back in. Used to be the case was like you can use the USB port on your TV at the back and then just plug it in, but this comes with an adapter, and this is a 5-watt adapter, so I'll need to test. So in some instance you might need to get like a separate adapter, because I was looking on Amazon, there was some different like adapters things which you use the USB to power this up. Yeah, so this is it. One thing though, because these are from Amazon, so you don't have the Play Store fully deployed, so you will need to use the third-party platform. So like you can use Aptoide, APK Pure as well. You can, so there are different ways, like you can install any of the APKs you want. It's at the back end, it's like still an Android system. It's just more refined for the Amazon store. Yeah, so that is it. I will create like another video how to sideload apps on this, and yeah, if you have any questions, do let me know. Take care, have a good day, bye.